studied the standard soft form, standard pos form, then min terms, max terms, the K-map for 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable, which is for again soft form or pos form. Now let us see how this K-map, in K-map the equation has to be plotted. So let us take one example for it. So I'll be taking the example for the standard soft form. So y is equal to a bar b bar c plus a b bar c plus a b c bar plus a b c. So from this you will understand this is a 3 variable K-map. So we require total 8 cells. So already we have seen how this K-map is plotted. So this is nothing but the b bar c bar. This is b bar c, bc and bc bar. This one will become a bar and a. So the first term is a bar b bar c. First try to understand what is the significance of this equation. This equation signifies that whenever the combination of input is a bar b bar c or a b bar c and so on is there, so that time output is going to be 1. That means when it is a bar b bar c, y is going to be 1, or when it is a b bar c, so that time output is going to be 1. So this is what we are going to write down using this equation or using K-map. So see, first equation, first term is a bar b bar c. So a bar b bar c, so this is going to be 1. Next a bar or a b bar c, so it will become a b bar c. So this term is 1. A b c bar, so a b c bar is going to be 1, and last is a b c. This. So this is how the equation will be plotted using K-map. So instead of writing this entire equation, we have already studied the min terms and max terms. So this is the standard soft form. So this equation again can be written using min terms. So see how this equation will be written. So it is nothing but 0, 0, 1. So I can write down this equation using summation m. 0, 0, 1 is 1. A b bar c, that is 1, 0, 1. So it will become 5. This is 1, 1, 0. So this is nothing but 6. And a b c, so that is 1, 1, 1. So this is nothing but the 7. So instead of writing entire equation using min term, I can write down the equation this, and from here directly I can write down a K-map. So in K-map also we have studied. So this is nothing but the 0th cell. This is first, this is second and third, fourth, fifth, 6th and 7. So see, 1 at 1 it is 1, at 5 it is 1, at 6 it is 1, and at 7 it is 1. So min terms can be related very well with the K-map simplification. So this is the example for the standard soft form. We will go for the standard pos form now. Standard pos form will be, I am writing directly using the max term. So y is equal to, I already told it can be written as a pi, capital M, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Okay. So obviously from the equation you can understand this is a 4 variable K-map for the standard pos form. So 4 variable K-map, total 16 combinations will be there. So as I have written using max term, directly I can write down the equation or numbers here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now see, in standard pos form, already we have discussed max term is always in the complement form of soft term. So here, whatever terms or whatever literals are present in the equation, at that combination, output is going to be 0. So here, at 5, we will be getting 0. Similarly, at 6, again 0 is there. At 9, 0. At 10, 0. Okay, so remaining all, it is going to be 1. Okay, so given equation or given max term, we are going to get the output as a 0. So this is the example of the standard pos form. So we have studied how to write down K-map for the standard soft and standard pos form. Now let us see why we are doing this. We are actually using K-map for standard soft or pos form for the reduction purpose. So let us see how the equation can be reduced using the standard soft form. So I will give an example for the reduction. So in that one there are 3 cases. So I am starting with the first case, that is grouping of 2 cells, okay, or grouping of 2 ones, because we are going to see the standard soft form reduction. Okay, I'll take example of 3 variables. So example is like this: y is equal to summation m 1, 3. So it will be written like this. So this is A, B, C, and at 1 it is 1, and also at 3 it is 1, okay, and remaining at it is going to be 0. So this is nothing but the A bar, A, B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, and B, C bar. Okay, so these 2 adjacent ones are there, so which could be coupled or paired. So this pairing happens like this. Now when we pair it, okay, so see horizontally which term is present, so that is nothing but the A bar, okay, and if we see vertically, so it is this one represent is B bar C and this one is for BC. So out of these 2, whichever is common, you can write down that. So here you can see C is common here, so I will write down C here. And as B and B bar is complement of each other, they can cancel. So I am getting the final equation like this. So this is how the pair can be reduced using K-map reduction. Now we will go for the next, that coupling of the 3 variables. So I'll take the example for this. Let us go for few more example for the coupling of the 2 cells. See, coupling is done for adjacent ones. So when we are coupling 2 ones, so that time it is called as a pair. So one example we have already seen. Let us go for the second example. So y is equal to summation m 4, 6. So 4, 6. Again here we can write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it is 4. At 4 it is 1 and at 6 it is 1. Remember, at remaining all cells it is written as a 0. So see, here I am going to group these 2 ones. But just now I have told we can group only 2 adjacent ones. But here we can use the folding property. If I fold this entire thing, so this one and this one will become adjacent. So again, this and this can be coupled. So again, the answer for this one horizontally, the term is only one term, which is A. And now see here vertically, it is B bar C bar and this is B C bar. So out of this, C bar is common, which will be written, and B bar and B is complement of each other. So that is why it can be cancelled. So my answer becomes A C bar for this problem. I'll take one more case here. So summation m 1, 3, 7. So at 1, the term is coming 1. Then again at 3 and at 7. So remaining all, it is 0. Now if you see here, there are these 2 adjacent ones and these 2 adjacent ones. Okay, so I can couple this pair. Now this one is left, which can again paired with this one. So let us solve for first pair. So horizontally if we see, it is a bar, and if we see here vertically, so C is common and B bar will be cancelled as they are complement of each other. So this is for this pair. Now let us see for the second pair. So if I see vertically, it is a BC and horizontally it is A and A bar, which is again complement of each other. So that is why this term will get cancelled. The answer for this one is BC. Okay. So here the answer for our second equation, summation m 1, 3, 7 is A bar C plus BC. Okay. So this is the coupling of 2 ones, 2 adjacent ones, which is called as a pairing.